The last thing I just want to mention is I want to make sure that our community is being extra careful with the agencies that they're providing their information to. So you want to think twice, right? Any application, whether it's to the FBI, the IRS, know that that information is part of a federal database, right? That immigration and Immigration Customs Enforcement can use to be able to apprehend and detain people. So our office is being extra careful. So for people who want to request, a copy of their file under the Freedom of Information Act, we're utilizing our address as the mailing address and not our client's address. Why? Because we need to be extra careful. Now, that doesn't mean or impact the agencies here in the state of California. Now, I know many of you live in other states, so you may want to be careful because in certain states there are cooperations and agreements in place where local law enforcement can help enforce our federal immigration laws. Here in the state of California, we have a law called SB 54 that essentially prevents state agencies from sharing your information with the federal government. But again, you want to be very, very careful. So for those of you who are undocumented, who have taxpayer identification numbers, you may want to think twice before filing your taxes. Now, I'm not telling you not to, because there are many cases in which it may be a good idea to file your taxes. For example, if you have a young adult who may be entering college that wants to be able to access, federal grants, part of the FAFSA process is showing that you've filed those taxes. So again, it's up to you to really weigh the pros and cons and the benefits of providing your information to the federal government.